can a father do if mom won't let you see the kids? Well, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. Well, if mom won't let you see the kids, you've got some options. Number one, before you start with your legal remedies, I would always try to find out what the deal is. What is the real problem? A lot of times when one person will say, well, I'm not comfortable with someone seeing the kids, there's something else going on. And it could be something important, or it could be something stupid. Maybe all of a sudden she's not comfortable with you because all of a sudden you're dating someone. Maybe that's what it is. Stupid. The court's going to really not be thrilled with that denial and violation of the court's order because someone's socializing. So maybe that, or it may be something real. It may be the fact that lately the person has appeared intoxicated. Lately the person has seemed to have more emotional problems. The person has been very irritable and violent. Maybe that's what's going on. Maybe there's a person's consorting with criminals. It could be a million things, but there might be some things that you can talk about, that you can work through. Maybe we can get to the bottom of it. And that's number one. Now, if you can't, then you got to call your lawyer. And the father is going to have his lawyer file a petition in order to show cause. A show cause motion is essentially the court saying, look, I want you to show cause why I, Mr. Judge, shouldn't hold you in contempt. Why? Because you're violating my order. And so the court conducts a hearing to discuss, I have rights, my rights are being violated, which means you, Your Honor, wrote an order and your orders are being violated, and I want that person held in contempt. And the court will conduct a hearing, find out what's going on, try to get to the bottom of it, and maybe issue some warnings, and maybe even hold somebody in contempt or give you make-up parenting time, all sorts of remedies that are available for the court. Now, again, it's worth re-stressing that a lot of times these issues can be resolved by reasonable people having a discussion. One of the reasons why the court is so overloaded with cases and so behind is that things that could be resolved aren't. Instead of the court being the place of last resort to go to, the court is the first place of resort. It's the first resort. It's the first thing that people, okay, I'll see you in court. I'll see you in court. That's a very popular expression I hear lay people using, But you know what? The judge isn't going to be in your life forever. And your attorneys aren't going to be in your life forever. You're not going to want him in your life forever. You're not going to want to pay him forever. So at some point in time, there's going to have to be an open dialogue. You're going to have to figure out what the problem is. Now, if you're on the receiving end, you're the one who's being told, no, you can't see your kid, it behooves you to try and get that dialogue set up. Like I said, if you can't talk to the person because they're not reasonable, then of course you have to go to court. But again, I repeat, it's worth trying to get to the bottom of it because maybe it's something we can tweak. Maybe it's a small concession that you can give that'll make everything go back to the way it should be. If you have any questions about your case, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.